Hi, and welcome to Business 101. This series will give you a blueprint on exactly what to do to open up a cash-based physiotherapy practice. And not only just the basics on what to do to open one, but to run a successful and thriving business. Let's face it, we're not taught this stuff in school. We don't know how to run a business. We don't have time to take an MBA class or to get a master's or to start reading business books. We have to capitalize on this opportunity now in healthcare, and we need to learn it quick. So my 101 system is built to teach you the basics and fundamentals of how to run a business, how to open a business, what stats to manage, how to run a successful and thriving business that's guided towards cash-based physiotherapy. So Business 101 will teach you the blueprint on exactly what I've done to open up a cash-based physiotherapy practice and take you to that next level where you're running and growing a thriving practice. Thank you.